Top 13 Cryptographic-Based Project Ideas 1. Encryption and Decryption Application. Develop a software tool for encrypting and decrypting sensitive data using symmetric or asymmetric encryption algorithms, ensuring data security in communication and storage. 2. Secure File Transfer Protocol, SFTP. Implementation. Create a secure file transfer protocol based on cryptographic techniques like SSL, TLS, and SSH, enabling encrypted file exchange over networks with authentication and integrity verification. 3. Digital Signature Verification System. Build a system for verifying digital signatures using public key cryptography, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of digitally signed documents and messages. 4. Cryptocurrency Wallet. Development. Design and implement a cryptocurrency wallet application, enabling users to securely store, send, and receive digital assets while adhering to best practices in cryptographic key management. 5. Secure Chat Application. Develop a secure messaging platform utilizing end-to-end encryption techniques like Signal Protocol or OTR, ensuring confidentiality and privacy of communication between users. 6. Blockchain-based voting system. Create a decentralized voting system using blockchain technology to ensure transparency, immutability, and security in the voting process, enabling tamper-proof and verifiable election results. 7. Password Manager with Encryption. Design a password manager application with strong encryption for storing and managing user credentials securely, providing convenient access while protecting against unauthorized access. 8. Cryptographic hash function implementation. Implement a cryptographic hash function like SHA-256 or MD5 for data integrity verification and password hashing, ensuring secure storage and transmission of sensitive information. 9. Secure Email Communication System. Develop an email encryption system using PGP or S/MIME standards to protect the confidentiality and integrity of email messages, enabling secure communication over untrusted networks. 10. Secure Online Banking Application. Build a secure online banking application incorporating cryptographic protocols like SSL, TLS, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect against phishing attacks and unauthorized access to financial transactions. 11. Blockchain-based supply chain management system. Create a blockchain-based supply chain management system for tracking and verifying the authenticity of products throughout the supply chain, ensuring transparency and traceability. 12. Cryptographic puzzle solving. Explore cryptographic puzzles like Sudoku or cryptograms and develop algorithms or tools for solving them efficiently, demonstrating problem-solving skills in cryptographic applications. 13. Quantum cryptography protocols. Research and implement quantum cryptography protocols like quantum key distribution, QKD, for secure key exchange and quantum-resistant algorithms for post-quantum cryptography, addressing the challenges posed by quantum computing threats.